Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of RNA and its role in shaping genetic diversity. But first, let's talk about reverse transcription. Think of DNA as the master blueprint of life. It contains all the instructions our cells need to function. Usually DNA is used to make RNA, a sort of temporary copy of those instructions, but sometimes nature hits the rewind button. That's where reverse transcription comes in. It's like taking a copy of the blueprint RNA and using it to make changes to the original DNA. This process is usually driven by special viruses or elements within our own cells. Reverse transcription might sound like something out of science fiction, but it plays a vital role in creating genetic diversity. Now, you might be wondering, how does RNA control this process? Well, that's what we're going to explore next. Okay, so we know that RNA can be reverse transcribed back into DNA. But how does it control this process? It turns out that RNA plays a crucial role in guiding the reverse transcription machinery to specific locations within our DNA. Imagine you have a team of tiny construction workers responsible for making changes to the blueprint of a house. RNA acts like a foreman, directing these workers to the exact spots where modifications are needed. In a similar way, RNA guides enzymes responsible for reverse transcription to specific genes or regions of DNA. This guidance ensures that changes are introduced in a controlled manner, leading to new variations in the genetic code. This process is critical for generating diversity. Why is genetic diversity so important? Well, imagine a world where every single person was identical. Not only would it be incredibly boring, but it would also make us incredibly vulnerable to diseases. If one person was susceptible to a particular virus, everyone would be. Genetic diversity is like having a whole bunch of different keys on a giant key ring. The more keys we have, the more likely we are to find one that fits the lock and unlocks new solutions to challenges like diseases or changes in the environment. It's the driving force behind evolution, allowing populations to adapt and thrive in ever-changing environments. Without genetic diversity, species would be more susceptible to extinction. By studying how RNA influences reverse transcription, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the mechanisms driving genetic diversity. This knowledge could pave the way for exciting new discoveries in fields like medicine and biotechnology. For example, we might be able to develop new gene therapies or engineer crops that are more resistant to disease. But perhaps the most important takeaway is this. RNA is not just a passive messenger molecule, it's an active player in shaping the very blueprint of life itself. The paper by Handa et al. Highlights how RNA's role in reverse transcription can lead to significant genetic variations. By continuing to explore the mysteries of RNA, we can unlock even greater secrets about the origins of life and the incredible diversity that surrounds us. Keep those science brains buzzing, everyone.